Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I draw bodies in a simplified style. My name is RJ and I'm a self-taught artist and animator behind Studio De Laron, a channel dedicated to sharing with you everything I'm learning about art and animation. Oh yeah guys, after about 50 videos, I've unlocked this character that will probably be speaking on my behalf just because, why not? Anyway, this video is all about drawing the human body, but more stylized and simplified. Drawing the human body can be a little intimidating, and you are probably here because you want to find an easy way to draw anatomy. Well, if you like them simple and cute, like me, then you came into the right video. Subscribe, push the notification bell button, share, and like this video. You know what to do. Let's get started. Alright, this simplified style was actually inspired by Jaden Animations because my goal is to actually be an independent animator. Personally, I like to do everything on my own, so I thought adapting a style that is very simple would benefit me in terms of time management. I am really fascinated by the power of a simple animation that Jaden Animation or the odd ones out are doing, because instead of focusing on the flashy Sakuga animations we see in anime, their focus is on storytelling. So, inspired by the cute characters in their video, I researched a style similar to them and I found one that I really like, which I will show you how to do right now. Hey guys, so today I'll be using an iPad instead of the usual drawing monitor I'm using, simply because I was at my parents' place and I didn't have my usual setup here. I'll be using the app called Procreate, and I have used this before, but this is the first time I'll be doing a video about it. So as you can see, I am starting with the head by drawing a circle and drawing a line and a V shape for a jaw, which is the basic way of drawing a head. I also wanted to point out how easy and convenient it is to undo on Procreate using just my two fingers to double tap. I'm drawing the shoulders down and the body at the same size of the head. I'm drawing the hips, which have a slight curve from the upper torso to create a more simplified version of the body. I'm doing the arms in two parts as usual, and the forearms are slightly exaggerated with an oblong shape just like Mega Man. The hands will only have 4 fingers to simplify it during my animations. The legs will have 2 parts and the lower legs are also drawn with the same width of the upper leg with calves slightly exaggerated. The feet will somehow just be a small triangle, which I got from Jaden Animation style. I'm creating a very generic face here with no nose just to start. So this design, as you can see, has a 4-head proportion. The male model of this character will have a slightly lowered shoulders, big forearms, big calves, and lastly, a very simple face. Now I'll be showing you the female version of this character, so I created another layer in Procreate and lowered the opacity down for this layer. I started the same model of the head, and as you can see again, I was struggling a bit with creating a very smooth line. I'm not really used to this app yet, but after some tries, I got it. Then I started with the bust and created those curves you see in the female body. I'm doing the hips slightly bigger than the male hips as well to emphasize those curves. The lower legs for the female model will have a slight decrease to really create the distinction between the two models. The arms will also be slightly thinner. Again, this model will have a proportion of approximately 4 heads, but it can be lower depending on your preference. The main features for the female model of this character designs is the slightly lower shoulders, thinner forearms, slightly smaller calves, hourglass shape to emphasize the curves and the simple face. So right now, I just want to show you how I can create a character on top of this model. I created another layer and used the male model as my guide for the character I'll be doing. I'm also using a reference for this demo, which is Gojo Satoru from Jujutsu Kaisen, to model him on top of this character. Modeling characters are a very critical skill in animation, and this is why I wanted to practice this character style so I can also create models of different characters from anime and movies I like. So for the next minute or so, just sit back and relax as you watch a time-lapse demo of my simplified Gojo Satoru drawing. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more Procreate video like this, or should I just stick with Photoshop? You decide. Subscribe for more art and animation videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.